Date naman tayo.
La la la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Makita lang kitang may ngiti sa mata, alam na alam kung saan gusto magpunta. Hinihingi mo lang naman sa akin ang makasama kita na tayong dalawa. Kita-kits, kita-kits with McDo. La 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 la, la 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 la. Hinihingi mo lang naman sa akin ang makasama kita.
Saan kayo galing? Wow!
Kita-kits, kita-kits with McDo. Oh, kita-kits with McDo.
Ang pelikulang ito ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.
I had a series of visions when I was younger. And after each one ended, the same thought would be stuck in my head.
What did you see?
I saw a nun. Word of my visions reached the church, and I was asked to accompany a priest to an abbey in Romania.
The Abbey has a long history.
Valak.
Not all good.
What?
Finnegan down. Callahan's here.